Hey everyone, and welcome back our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today, we're gonna have some furry fun by drawing a cuddly cat and a playful kitten. We need black liner pen.
Hey there, I'm a cat. Are you drawing me today?
Let's start with the head, a nice oval shape. 2 little triangles on top for the ears.
I have excellent hearing that helps me locate prey.
Now, draw 2 big eyes. Don't forget the pupils.
We cats have excellent night vision. My eyes glow in the dark.
Add a small triangle for the nose.
To sense smell.
Now draw a happy and smiley mouth. Draw some whiskers.
My whiskers are like super sensors which help me feel around.
Let's move on to the sleek and flexible body.
This helps us move gracefully and quickly.
Cats have 4 legs with little paws at the ends.
It aids for a strong sense of balance. My claws are sharp. I use them for climbing and hunting.
Draw a long curved tail.
Aha! It helps me balance and express myself.
Now, let's draw the kitten playing in front of our cat.
Hi kids, make me look cute. Start with my face. Tiny triangles for the ears. Cute eyes.
Body and legs. Now we have a cute cat and kitten. Let's start coloring. Red. Orange. Pink. Blue. Dark blue. Violet. Pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Green. Soft pink. Light gray. Pastel orange. love to play.
Yes, I love playing with my kitten.
Pastel pink.
I like to sleep a lot.
Wow. Cats sleep usually around 12 to 16 hours a day. Now, let's color the kitten. What's your favorite food?
Fish and milk. Yummy.
And there you have it, kids. Great job! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!